It's color. What color is this? Ate, look. Color. Pink. Tap the ball. Tap the ball. Go, tap, 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 tap. Go, your turn. Your turn. Tap the ball. Tap, tap, tap. Very good. How about can you sit down? Sit down ka sa ball. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Tap, tap, tap. How about sit? Sa ball, sit. Let's try sit. Ay, you don't like sit. Oh, tap na ball. Tap the ball. Oh, come on here. Come on here. Tap the ball. Tap, tap. You don't like to sit the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap the ball. Tap the ball. Hug the ball. Hug. Hug the ball. Like this. Go. Come here. Hug the ball. Yay. How about tap? Tap. Go tap. Tap the ball. Very good. Hug, hug, hug. Hug the ball. Hug the ball. Hey, it's okay. Go, come on. Hug the ball. Come on, hug. Hug the ball. Go. Hug. Come here. Ate. Hug the ball. Go, go, go. Hug, hug. Hug the big hug. Big hug. Yay. Hug the ball. One more, one more. Hug. Hug the ball. It's okay. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap the ball. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap the ball. Hug the ball. Bounce. Bounce pa, bounce. Bounce the ball. 1, 2. Oh, you play with the ball. It's okay. Oh, you play with the ball. Go, play with the ball. Hug the ball. Ate, hug the ball. You like the ball na? Hug the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Hug again. Hug again. Hug. 1. Go, go, go. Hug. Come here. 1. Hug mo. Hug. Hug. Hug the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last hug. Last hug. Hug the ball. Last one. Yay! It's okay. Oh, you tap the ball and play with the ball. Yay! Yay! What's that? Color white and color pink ball. Sabi ng teacher. Ate, high five, listen. High five. Another one. Bless teacher. Okay, very good. Bounce, 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 bounce. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. It's okay. Ay, look at the ball, oh. Wait. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the apple. Oopsie. Okay, try again. Okay. How about the next one? What's this? Yes. Butterfly. It's a butterfly. Butterfly. Insert. Next. How about this one? What is this?
Watch.
Clock. It's a clock. Insert. Insert. Next one. Very good. Book. Next. What's this? What is this? What is this first? It's a zebra. Very good. Insert. Next one. What's this? Spider. Next. What is this? From? Next one is a bee. Very good. Insert the bee. Go. Insert, go. Next. What is this? Okay, good job. How about the next one? Rabbit. Next. What is this? Sheep. Very good. Next one. What is this? It's a what? What is this? Tree. Very good. Next.
Phone.
Telephone. Next one. Leaf. Very good. This one. It's a boy. It's a boy. Insert the boy. Last one. What is this? Brush. Very good. Good job. High five, teacher. High five. Ate, get number one. Where's number one? One. Over there, oh. Look, oh. One. Where's number one? Oh, one. Okay, get mo si number one. Get mo si number. Where's number one? One. Come here. Put. How about number two? Number two. Where's number two? Get. Two. Oops. Shoot. Next. Number three. Where are you? Number three. Very good. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. And number nine. Very good. High five, teacher. Good job. Number nine. Good job, ate. Ate, get mo. Where is the apple? Can you please get over there the apple? Where's the apple? Look may apple. Hanap mo nga po yung apple. Asa po yung apple? Where's the apple? Apple. Give it to teacher, please. Apple. Where are you? Red apple. Red apple. Where's the red apple? Apple. Red apple. Get the apple. Apple. Get. Shoot the apple. Shoot the apple. How about the dog? Where is the dog? Very good. Get the dog and come back here. It's a dog. How about that? Oink, oink. What's that? Oink, oink. What's that? Oink, oink. What's that? Pig. Where is the pig? Where are you, pig? Pig. Where's the pig? Look for the animal. Pig. Oink, oink. Where's the pig? You need help? Oh, come here, come here. Pig. Ate. Pig. Very good. How about the yummy banana? Where's the banana? Banana, where are you? You very good. How about the moo? Moo. It's a cow. Where's the cow? Moo. Color black. White cow. Moo. Very good. Next one. Airplane. Where's the airplane? Airplane. Go. Airplane. Where are you? Where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? Airplane. How about the very good. Next. Bite. Bite. Where's the bite? Very good. Next one. Orange. Yummy orange. Orange. Next, how about the boat? Boat. Very good. Boat. Next one. Horse. Where's the horse? Ah, horse. Get the horse. Next one. Last one. Chicken. Where's the chicken? Big. High five, teacher. High five. Good job, ate. Ate, wave hello. Hello. Pati hello. Wave hello. Ganito, hi. Wave ka like this. Hi. Hi. Go. Say hi. Go. Hi, ate. Hi. Like this, oh. Hi. Wave mo yung hands mo. Like this. Hi. Go, come on. Come on, wave your hands. Hello. Ate Hazen. Ate Hazen, learn to wave. Come on. Wave? Oh, sit. Why? Stand up, stand up. Come on. Stand up, stand up. Ay, something. Sit mo, ayos mo, ayos. Ayos the dress. Ayos the dress. And then sit properly. Sit properly. Go, come on. Come on. Always wave hello. Hello. Wave hello. Wave hello. Hello. Hindi high five. Hello lang, oh. Hello. Dali na. Wave lang. Wave hello. How about you? Like this. Hello. Ate, go. Hello. Go, go, go. Ate Hazen. Ate Hazen, you wave hello. How about goodbye? Bye. Ate, bye. Bye. Kung you wave ka, wave. Bye. Go. teacher, ilok mo. Ayos ang teacher. Ayos mo kay teacher. Hi! Hi! Ganon. Hi! Ate Hazel, go! Hi! Wave, wave. Hi! Go! Ganun. Hi! Hi! Like this. Hi! Ganun lang. Oh, mag-wave lang tayo eh. Wave. Hi! Oh, one wave lang. Go, come on. Wave lang. Hi! Dali, say. Hi! How about goodbye? Paano yung goodbye? Bye! Oh, wave goodbye. Ate, wave goodbye. Ano yung teacher? You can do it na. Mag-wave lang tayo eh. Mag-wave lang. Oh, wave. Bye. Ganon. Sige, go. Bye. Say hi. Wave. Let's practice natin yung wave, okay? Stop crying na. It's okay.